Good morning. I'm going to go over your week 2, day 3, or technically day 8 of NTI packet working. Very quickly, I wanted to show you our notes for math. So today we were going over polygons. Now we are going to be going over our notes, and we're going to be going over quadrilaterals. Okay, so a quadrilateral, as you can see here, it gives you the definition, and a quadrilateral is just a polygon with 4 sides and it has 4 angles. Okay, so if we look very closely, and it's kind of hard to see, this is going to be backwards for you all. Okay, so if we look at this, we have our side, we have our angle, which is just the corner, and then we have the piece right here, the point where 2 sides meet. That is called a vertex. Okay, now if we look down here, the next section, that's going to list the types of quadrilaterals, which is just going to be a trapezoid, a parallelogram, a rectangle, a rhombus, and a square. Okay, that's your notes for today. Then on the back, you're going to be going over these right here. You're just identifying what shape is this, what quadrilateral is it. It might ask you to list the attributes. It has this many sides, and I know it's a quadrilateral because of this. Okay, so that's your notes. Here's part of your math assignment. The other part of your math assignment is this right here. It has some short answer questions. It has a multiple choice question down here. Very simple. If you all have any issues with math today, please just let me know. Give me a call, shoot me a text. We can do a video chat just like this. I'll be available all day today, just like I am every day. So if you have any questions, please let me know. The next thing we're going to look at is reading. I'm just going to do it all in one video today. So if you need to pause this, you can do that, and then you can move on to reading, or you can just watch it all the way through and then do the work. Okay, so the next thing is we're looking at a play. So if the story that from yesterday, that was a play as well. However, today, this one is about King Midas and the Golden Touch. So anytime you see a scene, like scene 1, scene 2, they are just moving from one setting. So say the first setting's taking place in the castle. Well, the second setting's taking place out in the rose garden. So they have to move the scene. So scene 1 will be the introduction. Okay, so and anytime you see the new, like a storyteller, King Midas, Marigold, King Midas, that is a new character talking. Okay, so King Midas is talking, and then the storyteller will say something, and then King Midas talks again, then his daughter Marigold talks. So that's where you see the bolded words coming in. Now, in a perfect world, we were going to do this as a class, and each person would have a different role, and we would kind of act this out. Obviously, at home, that's going to be a little hard. So if you have a parent or even a sibling that would want to act it out with you, or at least just read it with you, that's perfect. However, if they are working or older siblings are doing their own work, you can read this by yourself. Just read it all the way through, and then it's not even that long, I don't even think. And once you're finished reading it, on the last page, after page 475, on the back of it, you will see a activity sheet that goes with it. Okay, so if you want to read this first, like read the questions so you know what you're looking for, you can do that. The first part up here, you're going to be looking for direct quotes from the text, and you're going to have 3 to list. The first one is, what does King Midas think about gold? So I'm going to go back in the text, and I'm going to find where it tells me what he thinks about gold. Okay, down here I have to find the details that goes with the theme of the story. They give me the theme of the story right here in this first sentence. That's where the theme of the story is. And then the last is just a short answer question, okay? And then for writing, again, you're just choosing one of these writing prompts. You don't have to choose all three, you just choose one, okay? So if you have any questions, please get a hold of me and let me know. I don't have anything else to do today, so I would love to hear from you guys. So just let me know if you all need anything at all, okay? All right, sounds great. Thanks.